Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. To manage steering wheel buttons, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel firstly. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can enable active assist, adaptive cruise control, speed limiter, or disable driving assists. Next, we can enable active assist directly. Then we can change speed and in the end distance from the following car. 0 and reset button are for pause and restart. On the right side of the steering wheel we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster. We can confirm or reset. This is the favorite function button. This is button responsible for voice assistant, and this button is responsible for answering and ending calls. If you press right here, you will use horn. Right here we've got two paddles, thanks to which we can manage transmission manually. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.